What's going on, people? How are we all doing? The sun is shining, the heat wave is heat waving. It is mad temperature. I've been working outside for the last 3 days and it is hot. Even I have got proper suntan. Like, you obviously can't see it because I'm clothed, but yeah. Yeah, it's super hot, so stay hydrated. The other day I was working in a loft, which you will see there's no work upload today. It's just going to be me chatting, but please stick with me. It's only going to be a few minutes, just giving you a little bit of a update as to what's going on in my world and the world. So yeah, just touching base a little bit because I didn't want to do nothing, but I've just not had time to I've got the jobs filmed, I've just not had time to edit it all together. And also InstallerShow is currently going on as we speak, and so a lot of people are there. And normally the last few years on Installer, or two, I think I've been doing YouTube, this will be the third time since Installer. And yeah, obviously there's just not many views because a lot of people are there. So I'm saving the actual work for next week to show you. But I have got 2 really good jobs actually. I think they're really good jobs that will be fun to watch. So do come back if you're going to shut off now and don't want to hear me chatting. But have you gone to Installer? Have I missed much? I've seen mixed reactions from it. Some people have loved it and are there for like 3 or 4 days. They're absolutely loving it, enjoying themselves. I've seen all their videos. It looks great. Some people kind of went on the Tuesday. I know a couple of people and they just were not keen at all. They said it's lost a bit of its appeal, and I think it's where it's been opened up to more trades, so it's just got so big. So these people, they kind of feel like the focus is less on what they are interested in, which is also fair. I understand it from both sides. Yeah, did you go? Did I miss anything? Were there any good freebies? What was last year the good freebie that I missed out on? I can't remember. The year before, everyone wanted them like orange tote trays, I think from Testo. I didn't get one of them either. I always like the socks. Last year I got Grundfos socks, and the year before I got Ideal boxer shorts, and they were both good gifts, I think, anyway. And there was one stand, I think it might have been Danfoss, that were doing like 99 Mr. Whippy ice creams, and that was also great. But yeah, what have I missed? Let me know. Don't know if you saw a couple of weeks ago or last week, there was like a little bonus video I put out, which is PSA testing about prostate cancer. Obviously it's been in the media this week, especially about Jeremy Clarkson has got prostate cancer, and I guess that shines quite a spotlight on it. But please do get the test if you are kind of 40-ish, coming up to it or over it. Definitely chances are 1 in 8 men, and if you are from like a black, Caribbean or African descent, mixed race like myself, those chances go up to 1 in 4, which is super high. And it's one of those things that if caught early normally has quite positive results in stopping it in its tracks. So please do get these tests. They're about £8 to £10. Takes 2 seconds to do it. It's a little finger prick test, and it's a bit like a COVID test strip thing that you have. I'll put the link there, or if I can't put it there, don't know how it works on YouTube, then I will put it in the description and the comments as well. But please do grab yourself one of them tests, and don't bury your head in the sand with it, because it's just not worth it. But yeah, please do that. On to different things. England, they're smashing it at the moment. They had a draw last night against Ghana, 0-0. Wasn't the most exciting game, but Ghana were playing 11 men behind the ball. So let's not write them off. All the other big teams, mostly all the other big teams, have had draws so far. Spain have had a draw, Netherlands have had a draw, Portugal have had a draw. So, you know, nothing to write off yet. Brazil had a draw on the first game, Croatia game. That was a different England that I haven't seen before. They come out full attack, especially the second half. So yeah, let's stay behind them. Let's not write them off yet. But what have you guys been doing? Are you enjoying the weather? It's been super hot. One of the jobs you'll see, I was working in a loft. I was up there for 3 hours. The cylinders up there, pumps up there, controls are all up there. And the guy decided that was a good time, whilst I was working up there, to turn the hot water circuit on. So it was super hot anyway, plus that was not nice at all. But yeah, jump in the comments, let me know what I've missed installer, if anything. Let me know if you went, let me know if you enjoyed it, let me know if you didn't enjoy it. Let me know if you get the PSA test as well. Obviously you don't need to tell me your results if you don't want to, or I mean you don't mean to put in your comments the results if you don't want to, but yeah, please do let me know. The other thing I wanted to discuss is there is going to be a little segment coming up very soon on YouTube that I'm currently putting together, which should have some familiar faces, some unknown faces in it. So yeah, please do look out for that. Yeah, I won't say no more. It's not like the biggest surprise in the world or anything, but it's something fun, and it should just bring a little bit of a different avenue to the channel. What else is there to do? Shout out Steve Gray and Steve Gray Gas Services and Daisy DT Plumbing for their wins. Steve won like Southern Regional Plumber Award, and Daisy won Rising Star Award, I think. So shout out both of them as well. I saw it posted in a group that I'm in, but they both follow the channel, and yeah, well done to them both very deserving candidates. But other than that, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all the usual things. Hype, and I'll see you next week. Come back for the other jobs.